how to create a Wix landing page. So here I've just logged into my Wix account and we want to click on Edit Site from the top right corner, which is going to load up the Wix website editor. Now if we want to create a landing page, then from the left hand side here we will choose the third option, which is Pages and Menu, and we will select Add Menu Item and then choose New Page here. Now you will be able to see the different types of pages: about pages, services, projects, contact, general, and landing page. So we want to go to landing page here, and then you will choose one of the templates here for your Wix website, whichever fits best. So I'm going to do this coming soon page, and once I hover over it, I can select add page here. Now this will begin implementing the landing page to our Wix website. We can change the name here, but I would like to leave it as landing page. I'm going to click off it, and this is what it's going to look like. Now you can customize this, or what you can do is click on the three dots here and you can set this as the home page. So whenever somebody visits your website, that's the first page that they are able to see. And basically, like I said, you can customize your page from this section right here. And that's how you do it. That's how you create a landing page on Wix. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.